Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kira and welcome to episode 2 of making over my own thrift store. So in this episode, I nak tackle bahagian sunglasses which you can see in the video later in a bit. So, apa tunggu lagi? Let's go! First step, ikat rambut. Second step, let's go! Okay, this is before. This one I did last week. Kita orang tak cukup masa, so we plan to do every week one spot. So this week we're gonna tackle this spot, which we're gonna use the same color. Me. Hello. Third step, unscrew the shelf. Let's go. Everything check. Okay. Ah! Easy peasy. Alright, tadi kita orang pergi beli thinner. Okay, this one untuk nak tukar the roller brush for wall. And this one nak tukar yang ni. Okay, now we tukar this one first. Sebab dah keras. Alright. Tada! Same colour dengan last week punya shelf. Okay, as usual, gode time. And we tuang. Okay, jom start paint this shelf. Alright, kita orang dah, I dah done cat all the shelf. Baby, you done really? Almost. And then sekarang I nak coffee break. And then kita boleh buat my favourite part, the arch kat belakang shelf. So as usual lah, the trick is, if you guys nak tahu the trick to buat the arch, refer to the video dekat episode 1. Ooh, look at the railing. Thanks baby. Cantik, cantik. Cute, huh? Cannot wait for that section to siap. I'll do my best. Let's do this. I have to change my overall because yang brown tu Zami punya, dia punya, I don't know why Zami punya quite ketat, so tukar. Okay, now it's time to cat the wall. Okay, I'm using this besi from last week, but I have to change the roller refill. Okay, I don't know how to do this.
$2,000 years later.
I'm so pro. Done. I have to paint the edges first using brush. Kena tampal masking tape. Jom start balik. Oh my god, so nervous. My hand is like this. Okay, it is tahap. Oh, cepat eh. Okay, the edges dah siap. So now we rolling. Chat. Done. After this, I cannot wait to tunggu this one dry. Then, as usual, gonna do second coat. This is how it looks now. Ni with the tape, nanti dah siap kita buka lah. Okay, we have extra purple color, lilac color. So, what we did was, we paint this from chameleon color to lilac. Oh my gosh. Cute! Okay, now, as usual, I nak buat for second coat. Jom. Done! Woo! Oh my god, tak sabar tunggu kering. Then tomorrow, we gonna pasang the shelf. Cannot wait to show you guys the end result. So we have to wait for tomorrow. Nanti I show you guys. Sekarang I nak buat this small arch dekat this wall sebab I nak letak cactus depan dia. The cactus. So nanti I nak buat macam kat sini. Kalau rajin sikit buat dua smaller one. We'll see. I'm using two colors. This color, of course, pastry puff, and the second color, I don't know what's the name, but tada, so cute. Dia macam coral-ish, macam something like that. I'll paint this. First coat dah siap, but I need to cabut this and cat again this color. But I need to finish this one first. Second coat. Doing it now. Right. Let's try to open this. Slowly. Sabar Kira, sabar. Oh no. Tak apa. I can touch up that. And then open this part. Slowly. Kat ni memang tak sabar sikit. Put here. Sekejap, touch up a bit. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys like it, and also I would really appreciate if you guys can like and subscribe the video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.